Today, I'm going to show you how to prime and glue PVC pipe correctly in just 5 steps. Step number 1. Make sure you start with clean material. PVC comes from dusty warehouses and sits on the shelf at the hardware store for weeks or even months. Make sure you clean off any dust and debris before you even start. Step number 2. Cut your PVC pipe squarely. PVC fittings are designed to be used with squarely cut pipe. Ratcheting PVC cutters like these are notorious for not cutting pipe square. Just read the negative reviews on Amazon. The only time I use these is for hard to reach places or where a hacksaw is just not practical. My favorite way to cut PVC is with my chop saw, but a sawzall with a metal blade or a hacksaw will work just fine. Step number 3, deburring and beveling. For this step, I like to use sandpaper and steel wool. That'll clean up the end of your pipe and get rid of all those shards of PVC. That sandpaper is going to work great when you bevel the edge of that pipe. That way, when you put it inside the fitting, it'll fit great. This step is important for a good fit, but it's also important for a smooth flow of water inside the pipe. Those little shards of PVC, they can get embedded in the glue. They can collect debris. They could even cause a clog. Step number 4, proper primer application. Purple primer is code in most municipalities. That purple stain on the PVC, that's clear evidence that you used it. PVC primer softens that PVC and allows the glue to actually weld itself to the PVC. When applying primer to any PVC joint, first take the dauber inside the fitting. Coat every surface multiple times. Immediately move the dauber to the pipe. Circle in the same motion. Before you're done, make sure you hit the end. It's okay if you get primer on the pipe past the end of the fitting. Step number 5, PVC glue application. While the primer is still wet, apply the glue to the end of the pipe and then to the fitting. Thoroughly coat the end of the pipe, move the dauber into the fitting. Then move the dauber back to the pipe. Make sure you coat the end. Quickly insert the pipe into the fitting and turn about a quarter. Make sure you hold for about 30 seconds. Holding the pipe inside the fitting for 30 seconds keeps it from pushing back. When you're finished, take a towel and wipe all the excess glue and primer before it hardens. This is going to reach a good handling strength in about 5 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is going to hold 160 psi of pressure. Gluing PVC pipes and fittings is a great DIY. Just make sure you follow those 5 simple steps. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to support the channel, subscribe. I'm glad you watched, and I hope you'll watch again.